Hi students, one of the good news for you guys. Whatever the classes we have uploaded or we have done regarding unit number 10, we have done 3 classes, right? So for those classes I have uploaded the notes in the PDF format, okay, and I have provided the link in the description, so you please go there and check the notes, okay, and try to go from that particular note. I think it will be more helpful for you guys. And before going to the notes, you try to go through the video till the end, then only you will get to know what exactly happening in the video class and in the PDF note. Clear? So then only you will get to know the things. Okay guys, so please do check the PDF and the video again. Okay, so thank you, take care.